I'm Chako Suzuki from RealSelf TV, and I'm here with America's top dermatologists, including Dr. Bruce Katz. Welcome.
Pleasure, nice to be here.
Could you tell us your specialty and where you practice?
I'm a dermatologist and specialize really mostly in cosmetic and laser surgery, and I'm in Midtown Manhattan, New York City.
Best city in the world, I hear.
The greatest city in the world.
Let's talk about UltraShape. What is it and how has it changed over the years?
UltraShape is really the newest technology for non-invasive fat removal. It was actually just FDA approved a few months ago, and it is extremely hot.
And what version are we on of UltraShape now? Is it the newest version, and how is it different?
Well, this is the first version, just the FDA approval for the United States. First time it's in the United States now. Absolutely.
Oh, okay. And has it been used outside of the United States and been approved in other countries?
It has been used in Europe for several years, but with the new modifications, it's really doing extremely well.
And non-invasive is just such a huge trend. We're going to see more and more of this coming over the years. How is UltraShape different for non-invasive body contouring versus other things like cool sculpting or, VeloShape?
Well, cool sculpting was the first one where it freezes the fat, and then there's another technology, ultrasound, where it heats the fat. But UltraShape actually does it without heating or cooling. So there's no pain, there's no discomfort, there's no real downtime, you don't have any swelling, you don't have the numb sensation like you would do with the other technologies. So it's really a major advance in non-invasive fat removal.
And what are the risks associated with this treatment? Are there any?
It's very interesting. We've not seen one significant side effect from the technology at all. People walk out, they go right back to the office, go back to their daily activities with no downtime.
In terms of body contouring and results, how much of a result will you see? Is it in inches? Is it in fat reduction? What does it do exactly?
Well, it really varies in terms of what kind of response you see. Most people will see a result usually within 2 weeks, and it gradually gets better after that.
And is this a one treatment deal, or is it usually a few treatments? And what's the average number of treatments?
Well, with UltraShape, we usually suggest 3 treatments. I mean, some people can get by with 2, but they come in every 2 weeks and it takes about 40 minutes. Again, no pain, no downtime, and they go right back to work.
And who makes the best candidate for this treatment? Is it someone who is trying to kickstart their weight loss, or is there someone, could you describe what the ideal patient looks like?
Really, the ideal patient is someone who's really not grossly overweight. Most people we see at our office in New York are they have little, puffs here and there. They work out regularly, they have good diets, but they can't get rid of their abdomen or their love handles or a little bit on the thighs, and they really are the best candidates.
And what are the target areas, speaking of the love handles and the thighs? Are there other areas of the body that you can use UltraShape?
Well, ultimately, we should be able to use it on the arms, around the neck, other areas of the body, but it's really only been FDA approved so far for the abdomen.
Okay, great. And can you tell us an average price per session for this? A lot of our viewers will be wondering about cost.
The price certainly varies throughout the country, but I'd say it varies from $1,200 to $1,400 per session. And if people buy a package, it's probably somewhat less.
And how do they go about finding the right doctor? What should they look for when they're shopping for this?
They really should ask that the doctor they're seeing is a board-certified dermatologist, a member of the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery, and has experience with body contouring.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for all that information on UltraShape. Super excited about it. And if you'd like to learn more about Dr. Katz, you can go to his profile on RealSelf.com. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Nice to be here.